Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be upgrading the iDrive controller. If you want to see how it's done and what the difference is, then keep watching this video to find out. So here's the standard version with 5 buttons and just regular scroll wheel that only goes left and right. And here's the upgraded version, which has a lot more options, and you can go left, right, up, and down with the scroller or the controller, whatever you want to call it. So we're going to be installing this bad boy. If you guys are going to be doing this, you got to check which connection you have here, because there are 4-pin connectors and 10-pin connectors. As you can see on mine, damn, it's a little hard to see, but it's a small connector that goes at the bottom here, and it's a 4-pin. You can easily check, or if you pull this panel off, you'll see a small connector with 4 wires. If you're gonna have a bigger one, obviously it's gonna be 10 wires or maybe 8, depends if all of them are connected or not. But in this case, it's only 4 pins, so let's start removing this panel and installing the new piece. So to remove this panel, all you have to do is pry it up on the side. I already done that, so I can just pull it off and pull it to the side. Here it is. Here's the connector. I'm gonna turn off the car to make sure nothing bad happens. Here's the 4-pin connector. That's what it looks like, a small blue. And there are three 15mm Torx, which you're gonna be removing now. This one. Make sure not to drop it inside of here, because you're never gonna find it. Alright. So once you remove the 3 screws, this piece just pops out. So this panel stays like this, so this controller has to go in this way. Just like that, and then just screw in 3 screws and it should be good to go. So I got this piece screwed in. This is what it looks like. Amazing. Let's connect this bad boy. Okay, then we just need to open the armrest, slide it in into the clips, and then just push it down. Okay, and that's what it looks like now. Let's start the car, because it's hella hot in Florida. Jesus Christ. Look at me now. Like, Jesus. I'm sweating in my car. Holy shit, it's hot. But anyway, let me show you the screen. And here's the controller. Let's see, I'm not hold the menu. Boom. I can go back. I can click media. I can click radio, telephone, navigation. Just takes me to the Android Google Maps. So yeah, that's what it looks like. It's freaking amazing. One of my favorite upgrades, so I really like it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It costed me about $120 to get this piece, and then I can probably sell the old one, make some money.